Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dishalicious Cooking. Today I will be making special dish for dinner. Frog legs in creamy mushroom garlic sauce with pasta. So let's start cooking. Okay, so we have about 2 pounds of frog legs. We're gonna go ahead and cut them into nice half pieces. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit. Okay, so our frog legs are cut into 2 pieces, cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and soak it in the milk for 1 hour, which will tenderize the meat, whiten the meat, and it's gonna pretty much draw out any impurities. We're gonna leave it in the milk for 1 hour. I'm gonna set this aside for 1 hour. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare the seasoning. So when this is ready, then we're gonna go ahead and season it. Okay, I'm gonna be making the seasoning for our frog legs. So we need 1 tablespoon of each. First, we need the onion powder. I'm gonna be using garlic, crushed garlic. One tablespoon of oregano, savory, salt, use half a tablespoon, black pepper, and we want a little bit spiciness, so we're going to use cayenne pepper. Okay, here we are preparing the pasta. We have the water, it's boiling already. We're gonna go and add some salt. So we have fettuccine pasta. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the water. Okay, the pasta is ready. We're gonna go ahead and set it aside for now. So it's been 1 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the milk from the frog legs, and then we're gonna season the frog legs. Okay, we're gonna dry the frog legs with paper towel. I'm gonna remove it for now. we're gonna start off with some olive oil. And this is our seasoning. Use grapeseed oil. Okay, now we're gonna go and add the mushrooms. Add salt and black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna be making the creamy garlic sauce. Add some butter. And add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Here we're gonna add cooking cream. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to make the sauce thicker. We're gonna add some salt. A little bit of black pepper. Here our creamy sauce is almost ready. We're gonna simmer 2 more minutes and that's it. We're gonna take it up. Here we're gonna also add some Parmesan cheese. I'll let it sit for 2 minutes and it's ready. Here we're gonna add our cream sauce on the pasta and the frog legs. We're gonna sprinkle some cilantro. This is the frog leg. Tastes so good, it's amazing. Beautiful texture. Wow. Really good. Give it a try. Cheers guys. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Cheers.